Did you miss the covered California open enrollment deadline? First, don't assume that means you have to go without health insurance until next year. Depending on your circumstances, you may still have options. If you live in the Inland Empire or Coachella Valley, including Riverside, San Bernardino, Ontario, Palm Springs, Palm Desert, La Quinta, or surrounding communities, here are the first steps to take. Start by asking yourself 3 important questions. First, have you experienced a qualifying life event? Certain life changes may allow you to enroll through a special enrollment period, even after open enrollment has ended. Examples can include losing employer-sponsored health coverage, getting married, having or adopting a child, moving and meeting applicable eligibility requirements, or experiencing certain household changes. If something recently changed, write down the exact date it happened. Special enrollment periods are time-sensitive, and you may need documents verifying the event. For example, if you recently left your job, don't automatically use your last day at work as the date you lost health coverage. Your employer coverage may have continued through the end of the month. Confirm the actual termination date before applying. Second, could you qualify for Medi-Cal? Unlike covered California's annual open enrollment, Medi-Cal enrollment is available year-round for people who meet eligibility requirements. This can be especially important if you've recently lost a job, had your hours reduced, experienced an income change, or you're self-employed and your income fluctuates. Household size, income, tax filing circumstances, and other eligibility factors can matter, so make sure the information on your application is accurate. Third, do you have another way to bridge the coverage gap? If you don't qualify for a special enrollment period or Medi-Cal, review whether you have access to another legitimate coverage option. For example, if you recently left an employer, COBRA may be available. It can be expensive, but it may allow you to temporarily continue the coverage you already had. If your spouse or partner has employer-sponsored insurance, a qualifying event may also create an opportunity to join that plan. Be cautious when considering alternatives simply because they appear inexpensive. Before enrolling in anything, understand exactly what the coverage includes, what it excludes, which providers you can use, and how prescriptions and major medical expenses are handled. So, if you missed the covered California deadline, remember these 3 steps. Check for a qualifying life event. Determine whether you may qualify for Medi-Cal, and review any other coverage options available to you. Most importantly, don't wait. Enrollment opportunities can be time-sensitive, and the sooner you understand your situation, the more time you'll have to take action. At Charise Karjala Health Markets Insurance, I help individuals, families, and self-employed clients understand their health insurance options and determine the next step based on their healthcare needs and budget. If you're in the Inland Empire or Coachella Valley and missed the covered California deadline, start by gathering 3 things: the date your previous coverage ended, information about any recent life changes, and your projected household income. Those 3 pieces of information can make it much easier to determine what options may be available. If this video helped you, book an information sharing appointment using the link provided. You can also visit charisekarjala.net or take the Medicare Rabbit Hole Assessment for more guidance. Reach out if you'd like help reviewing your coverage options.